Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel just sugar. First, gather your ingredients, granulated sugar and a little water. You'll also want a clean, heavy-bottomed saucepan and a pastry brush. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother. This method is surprisingly straightforward, yielding beautiful, golden caramel with minimal fuss. Let's get started on this sweet adventure. To begin, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in your heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium-high heat. It's crucial not to stir the mixture at this stage. Simply let the sugar dissolve naturally. As it heats, you might see sugar crystals forming on the sides of the pan. Use a wet pastry brush to gently wash these down, preventing crystallization in your final caramel. Keep cooking the sugar syrup, watching closely as it begins to bubble and change color. This usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful, rich amber hue, similar to a copper penny. Gently swirl the pan occasionally to ensure the sugar cooks evenly. The moment it reaches your desired golden brown color, remove the pan from the heat immediately, as it will continue to cook from residual heat. If your caramel crystallizes, don't worry. Just add a tablespoon of water and gently reheat it to dissolve the crystals. For more intense, deeper caramel flavor, you can cook it a little longer, but be careful not to burn it, as burnt sugar is very bitter. Remember, safety first when working with hot sugar. And for more great deals, including a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade delicious caramel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.